Let's go to our special exclusive interview with the living legend, Winston Meritone Blake, the international soundman of all sound.
I was the first person to take the sound overseas.
Good.
I always say I have three loves: music, music, music. It's always wonderful to be recognized in your lifetime.
Right.
A lot of people sometimes are unfortunate. They're recognized after they die. But it's the most wonderful event in one's life is to be recognized while you're alive. I have always been an outspoken person. That was sometimes a way too long to say thank you,
Right.
and to other people who have made great contributions.
How long is Mr. Blake playing sound?
56 years. My father started in 1950 in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, where we're from. He did it because he wanted some extra money to send us to school in Kingston, and to go on to tertiary education. He never ever wanted us to continue it because he was sending us to school. I was privileged to go to KC and Marsden, and so I was supposed to go on to university, become a doctor, a lawyer. That was in that Catholic era. That's what you're supposed to be. You can tell nobody you're going to get involved in the sound system. You'll be a dropout. You know what I mean?
Right.
A total dropout. So I found that very challenging when he gave us the opportunity to go on to university. Right. And I told him flatly, like, listen, I really want to do music, and if there's no music course at the university, do not waste your money. Well, I wish he was alive to see that I was really serious,
Right.
and that I really took the music and I moved it up the ladder. I was the first person to take the sound overseas. I was the first person to play on university campuses, the first one to play in hotels, the first one to play in nightclubs, the first one to give the sound upward mobility, to really give it respect. We were the vehicle at the time for a lot of artists like Bob Marley, and many other artists whose music was not played on the radio that much in those days. There were a lot of things that we did that we just loved doing, and we thought we were just doing it, but looking back at it now, it is as a part of a cultural expedition. It's nice to know that after so many years that there's still people who love us and appreciate it. You're talking about going into 6 decades. We just celebrated 56 years.
Right.
And for me, it's staggering,
Yes.
But I love it because I pursued my passion. You pursue what you love, and when you do it well, you learn to make a living from it. And I just understand that I have to take care of myself and I have to take care of the music.
Right.
Because there's a set of people who will still love great music. When physically I leave, I'll be all smiles because I've heard a lot of things that a lot of people are not blessed to hear when they're alive.
Mr. Blake, we honor you, we cherish you, and it is a pleasure to have you here on Backyard TV. We wish you long life and prosperity, and we hope that you continue to entertain us for another 50 years.
Thank you for thinking me worthy of your time.
Yes, you are. So you've heard from one of the icons, or should I say the icon, because he paved the way for the rest of the soulmen. Thank you.
Continued success. And I hope you'll continue to grow and grow and grow until you're tired of growing.
Thank you.
Continued success.
Thank you. So you heard from the icon himself. We will continue to grow and grow and grow. Sky is the limit for us.
Much love.
Laugh and smile, no backyard TV style.